Guys, here's a set of duals. They're sliding T-rail. Got the hardware right with them here. Alliance 20.8-38. Looks like we got 7 sliders on that one. We got 8 sliders on this one, so you might be, but I don't know that they were using all those. So 7 and 8, and then you've got 13 pieces of hardware. So you're getting all this with these. What you see here is what we got. You're going to buy them all for one money. They're don't have an extraordinary amount of tread on them, but I think they'll still be fine for duals. They're not super great on tread, but they're good enough for duals. They are both, this is a BF Goodrich here. This is an Alliance. I think they were on the same tractor, but you're gonna buy the pair of them at Absolute Tractor House auction.